When pills don't work, what's the next step for erectile dysfunction? For some men, the answer lies in a small needle, or even a hidden device inside the body. Today, we're breaking down penile injections and implants, the pros, the cons, and everything you need to know before making a decision. Chapter 1. Why look beyond pills? Many men try medications like Viagra or Cialis first. But for some, these don't work due to severe ED, nerve damage, or certain medical conditions. May suggest second-line or third-line treatments like injections or implants. Chapter 2. What are penile injections? Medication such as alprostadil, papaverine, or a combination is injected directly into the penis. The drug relaxes blood vessels, increasing blood flow to cause an erection within minutes. Typically used before sexual activity, not daily. Chapter 3. Pros of penile injections. 1. Highly effective. Works in most men who don't respond to pills. 2. Fast onset. Erection within 5 to 15 minutes. 3. Customizable dose. Doctor adjusts based on your needs. Transpiration. Chapter 4. Cons of penile injections. 1. Receptor anxiety. Some men dislike the idea of injecting themselves. 2. Possible pain or bruising. Mild discomfort after injection. 3. Risk of priapism. A prolonged, painful erection that needs urgent care. 4. Not spontaneous. Must plan ahead. Meeting second. Chapter 5. What are penile implants? A surgical solution where a device is placed inside the penis. 2 main types. Inflatable implants. Pump in the scrotum controls erections. Elevable rods. Bendable implants that keep the penis semi-firm. Typically offered when other treatments fail. Chapter 6. Pros of penile implants. 1. Commemorate satisfaction rate. Over 85 to 90% of men are happy with results. 2. Eased-looking erections, especially with inflatable types. 3. Term solution. Lasts years without daily medication. 4. Spontaneous intimacy. No need for last-minute planning. Chapter 7. Cons of penile implants. 1. Surgery risks, infection, device failure, or scarring. 2. Reversible. Once placed, natural erections are no longer possible. 3. Caused, recovery time. Can be expensive and needs healing time. Chapter 8. Choosing between injections and implants. Injections. Great for men who want a non-surgical but effective method. Implants. Better for men who want a permanent, spontaneous solution after other methods fail. Always discuss with a urologist to match treatment to lifestyle, health, and comfort level. ED doesn't have to mean the end of your sex life, but the best solution depends on your comfort, your health, and your goals. Whether it's a tiny needle or a hidden device, knowing the facts helps you make the right choice. So, which would you choose?